Hi, it's John. Breathe with me. Take a deep breath in through the nose. And breathe out what no longer serves your highest good nice and loud. And today, the message from my guides is feel into the concept of unity and know that even in the darkest of hearts across this universe, light exists, just as darkness exists in the lightest of hearts. And it is this awareness that the lightest of hearts are capable of great darkness, and that the darkest of hearts are capable of great light, that we connect with each other as reflections of each other, that we're all at peace across this universe in our unity. Extend your heart to your dark and light. Sending my love from Scotland. I love you.